Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional, the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, August the 23rd, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. Well, it turns out it's not a 3 stars; it's a 0 stars puzzle, and we have 3 puzzles left. Well, the binary, tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. Yes, a lot of viewers of us of this channel like Sudokus. Uh, so this one with 4 stars will be number 6972. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 4 twos, 5 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 twos. 3 threes, 2 fours, 2 fives, 3 sixes, 3 sevens, no eights, 3 nines. So the twos are in majority. Can I start with the 2? That's the question. That's the question. Can I start with the 2? Well, we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between only place level the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2. Okay, cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. Need to wait. How about the number? Well, we have here 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in this big square, so no 4 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 it goes there. Alright. Then. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 178. 178. Cannot fill this yet. That means that those 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be in, and 9 goes there. Alright. 6 in this row. Oh, we have 4 sixes. Overlooked 4 sixes. Okay. 6 in this row. 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 place level the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Well. Need a 7 here. Need 4. Yeah, I'm thinking for 6. 4, 6. Well. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Okay. 9. 9. Here also the 9. Well, I think this one is a tough one. Need a 5 here. 1, 7, 8. No. 1, 7, 8, and the 4 is missing. Here 4, therefore, yeah, we need a 4 in this row, second row. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Here can be a 4 because we have 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. Here can be a 4 because we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in the second row should be there. So the 1 and 8 are left. 1 and 8. Okay. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need a 4 here. Need a 9 there. And I need a... let me think. Come on. 4. Need a 4. Alright. 1. Need 1 here. Yeah. 9, 1. Come on. 6, 4. 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in the first in this row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Then how about the 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. We have a 6 now in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row, in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Okay. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And no. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Right. 8 and 4, yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, from that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, third row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. How about the 2? Still, I cannot continue with the 2. Well, okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Done. One box left in this column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 7, 1, 7, 8. Need a 1 here. 1, 2, 5. 1 and the 8. Well, we have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 5, 5. Need an 8, 5, 8, and 7. Well. 5, 8, and number 7. Need a 7 here, need a 7 there. 5, 8, and the 7. Come on. 5, 8, 5, 8, and then 1. Yeah. Need a 9 here. Come on. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Well. Come on. What's happening? 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left for the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Alright. Okay, and now. 6, 2, 4, 3, 7. Come on. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And we have a pair, the 1 and the 9 in the third column, the 1 and the 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and a 9. Alright, these are 3 missing numbers. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We know that the 5 is in one of these 3 boxes in this big square. So here can be a 5. The 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the amount of 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 9, okay. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, 7, 8 is missing 5 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. Here we have a pair. That means one digit left in this column should be the number 1 here. 1 and 9, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest of 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here, the 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. 5 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 and 8. We have 8 now in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so we have 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the first 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, but I'm faster than 20 minutes. So it's a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.